Alright, it's October 9th, and now I'm going to be starting on the front porch side. So I got to do the other side of the chimney. So got to cut all that away because the siding's behind the chimney. Yeah, morons. And then change that window. And the siding goes down about 5/8 of an inch from that side to that side, like 4 feet. Nice. So I pulled off one board with my fingers, and I think I got a dry rot problem. So when I take that apart, I'll have to fix that and repair that. Maybe redhead some redheads in the foundation if there's anything left. Nice. So there was a photinia bush here I took out because it was just way too big and it was in my way. So I'll plant something else. And then I got to rebuild another corbel. See, it doesn't even go to the fascia board. And then I'm going to replace these two windows. I just pulled that siding off with my hands right here. So, oops. And then that GFI plug doesn't work, so hopefully it's just a plug. I'll have to find out what is wrong. And then this deck, the porch, is like even with the screen door sagging, I'm leaving that off. So I'm going to lower that down like a couple inches. And then I'm going to replace this deck with some of that clipless decking, composite decking. And then I have to take these corbel, these little braces off right here. And then replace these posts, the 4x4s, because they just have them sitting on the plywood. Right here. Yeah. That's not good. And then this downspout, this round one, it's like 1.5 inches or 2 inches, that's going away. I'm going to put a square one. So all the lattice, basically I'm going to take this porch off. Yeah, that's aligned right. They just got it posted piers all cantywonkas, and then they just repaired it. So they just cut off the beam and stuck it right there. So, and then all the railing's going to be off, and it's going to have that metal railing. So, but at least underneath here doesn't look too bad. So hopefully I can save that. I'll have to take that trim off along the side there. And then I'm going to jack this up and put a 4x4. I got this really cool jack my neighbor Daryl has. And it's like a 30-ton jack. So I'm going to put a 4x4 and hold it up, then replace these, dig that out, and put two new hangers in the cement strong, level it out, then build a new deck. Then I'll start on the siding. So anyways, got my work cut out for me on this side. And then half this phone wire, only using one wire, so all this is going to go away and tucked in. Maybe I can get it behind the siding so it looks decent, and then replace this window too. So, and then that light's going away, that floodlight. So anyways, man, it feels like it's gonna rain, but it's not. So talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm working on my front porch, and I got to take these little decorative corbels off, like they're siliconed and pin nailed. And you could use a sawzall, but I got a better tool. You all seen these infomercials on this fine tool? Yeah, so if anybody does like a lot of remodeling, this is my go-to tool. There's a tongue twister. I love this tool. So check out how this does. Of course, it's hard to do with one hand holding the camera, but This thing just cuts through the stuff like butter. I mean, I use it at least 5 or 6 times a day. So anyways, cut the braces off. I got the railing off, the screen doors off, and I had to cut a hole in the floor so I could put a jack, because I don't have anything to cut this 4-inch pipe that I borrowed from my neighbor. So I got a plate and a 4x4 holding this up. So hopefully it holds up. I got some other braces on the outside notched and in the ground. So anyways, if you don't see any more videos, then this porch fell on me. So talk to you later. Bye. Okay, front porch. After I took the little 2x4 braces, this is what somebody did down the road. They just said, hey, well, it's rotten, so we'll just put another piece on this. So I got a little weight off of it, but yeah, that looks safe. Yeah, what a joke. This is all rotted out. Jeez Louise. Okay, it's gonna go bye-bye pretty soon. So, shoot, I should be like an infomercial. Got my tools, got the project. I'm a regular freaking Norm Abrams on this old house. Okay guys, October 10th, about, I don't know, 10 o'clock in the morning. So I got some more braces on my porch over there, and even got a jack on there. I don't want this thing to move. So anyways, I took off the deck. You know, it's all rotten. They didn't even have any plywood or whatever on there, so you know, every once in a while you get a raccoon underneath there, so I'm going to fill all that in when I do the siding. So I got my Buddha jack, 30 ton or 35 tons I see. So that it's just gear driven. It's great. So that's all I got so far. Talk to you later. Okay guys, Tuesday, October 11th, about 8:15 in the morning. And it's cement footing day. Yay! Got these beefy hangers I'm gonna put in there. Got my plumb bob hanging. Got my wheelbarrow with some sunflower and some cement. So I gotta pour 2 of them. And then let that set, and then start taking some siding off by the chimney. Talk to you later. Here you go guys, I just pulled off a bunch of the siding, and it's all held together by caulking. I got a stringer of siding here. So let's put, I don't know, 8 tubes of caulking to hold the house together. Yay! Nice. Working pretty good. I got that all off. And I'm just going to do a little bit of the window. I want to see what's under this corner, because I found some rotten stuff down there. So looks like a 4x4 on the bottom, and then a 2x6 on the top. So I'm just going to do pressure treated on the bottom, and then maybe a pressure treated 2x6. Then I should be back to square one. Yay! So got my cement poured. Get out of the sun here. There we go. Got one pier poured. I had to do that because the original one was way off. And then I got that one poured. So just wait for it to dry. And then I'll set some posts and then take all this jack stuff off. So nice sunny day. At least that's nice. So talk to you later. Bye.